Part 1 of the snowstorm. Yeah, part 1 of the snowstorm. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Oh, that messy kid is just keeping on ding donging. I'm just gonna cook lunch. Mom, I forgot my keys, please. Oh, that kid. Wait, is that Emily? Emily! Are you okay, sweetie? I'm so sorry. Oh my god, sweetie, just go to bed right now, immediately. Ugh. I thought she wasn't there, you guys. Okay. Emily, don't want to eat like that, cause. Sorry for the background noise. I'm so sorry, sweetie. That's it. Bye.